This might be the best family house under $350,000 in Pittsburgh, and you're not going to find another property like this near the city. Nestled in the heart of Reserve Township, this 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home combines privacy, comfort, and convenience, just 10 minutes from downtown. Large windows let in plenty of natural light, highlighting the modern finishes and charming details throughout. Upstairs, you'll find 3 cozy bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a retro office space perfect for remote work or creative projects. The 3rd floor offers a massive 2-room space that can be transformed into a 4th bedroom, game room, art studio, or home office, whatever fits your lifestyle. A large 2-car garage and basement provide ample storage and functionality. With a mix of contemporary upgrades and classic character, this home is move-in ready and ideal for families, entertainers, or anyone seeking a private retreat near the city. Don't miss this rare opportunity, a private oasis with space, style, and convenience all in one. Schedule your showing today and imagine making this Pittsburgh gem your family's next home.